Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guy channel. And in this video we will learn how to make drop down list or how to set data validation. Both are same thing. Example I can show you here. So this is a drop down list, or you can call it a data validation as well. So I cannot type anything else. If I type something which is not there, it will show warning message like this. How do we put this warning message? So we're going to learn in this video only. So first you need to know how, if you have a data validation and drop down list, always go to data tab and go to data validation. Click here on data validation. You can simply remove it, clear all. Okay, so now there is no data validation. Now I can type the same word which I was typing there. So I can type here. So to put data validation and how many types of data validation or drop down list you can make, we want to go through in this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel so far, do subscribe and share with your friends. Right, so let's get started. Select the data where you want to put a data validation, or else keep in one column also. Both way we can make it. So let's start with selecting the data, going to data tab, data validation. Here we will have a simple message like this. Now here what we need to do is instead of any value, we will select a list. That's the first thing we're going to learn, list. And in source you can select the data whichever you're going to put. Simply you can do it. Okay, so everywhere you can see now the data validation has been created. That's one way to do it. You already have a list and you can simply select that list under source, and that will work. There's other way to do the same thing. I'm going to select the whole thing again, and data validation will clear all. Now again, if I'm going to select the list, instead of selecting the source, I can type something here. Example, if I just put these two names, so except those two names, no other names can be typed in this place. Okay, here the data validation is says only those two names. If I type something else, example, it will show the error because it's not matching the data validation. I hope you're getting so far. Now we go again and remove it from data validation, clear all. Okay, now there is another way to put it, how we can do it. There are many more ways. We have to go back again and again. So instead of list, first we can put whole number also. Example, you want to put minimum 50 to 100. So in this area, what you have selected, you cannot type more than between 50 and 100. You cannot type 10 here. Got it. If you want to type 60, you can. You cannot type 200 here. Yeah, so it will be between, it can only be between 50 to 100. So that's how you can also put a data selection here. So let's go to home tab and make it general. It's date format. Okay, so again we go to data tab, data validation. Hope you got that. It's very simple. You can put it not between, equal to, less than, greater than. Example, if you put only less than, so you need put here example 50, and it should be less than 50 only. Whatever the number you're going to put should be less than 50. I'll show you in all in one time. So how do we do it? Equals, I'll put a simple formula of rand between. So it says below 50, right? So I will say between 10 to 50. Now if I will do that, it will take the data. I will copy the formula everywhere. So let's see. So it's working, right? Now if I say 55 instead, it will not take. So this is how the data validation also works. Let me delete this. Again we go to data validation and we remove this, clear all. Simple way. There is same way you can do for date, time, text length, custom. For text length and custom, I'm going to show you. Text length, example, between 3 words to 5 words only. If you put less than 3 or more than 5, it will not work. It will not work because it's more than 5. Now less than 3, if I just put a, it will not work. So that is how you can set also. So you do try all the settings there. Now I'm going to show you some advanced setting, what else we can do with the data validation. So let's clear it all. And here we can put also input message. Here we can put error alert also. So how do we do that? We can put input message like do not type here. So it will appear this sheet is protected. Example. So it will appear every time you click on any cell of any of those cells, it will appear here like that. So you can put error message also like that with the help of data validation. So if sometimes you see any message like this, you can simply go and clear all. And you can also put error alert. For that, you have to put one formula in the settings. You need to go to custom, you put formula. Example, if I will say this equals 50, then keep it blank, otherwise type fail, parenthesis and bracket close. Now I will go to error alert. Here I can choose anything, warning, information, or stop. Warning, title, new data, not permitted. Anything, message, any message you want to put, you can put. So it says new data not permitted. Anything I will type here, it will give the same error message. Not permitted. If you say continue, it will still work. You continue, it will work. Okay, because this is just a message. So we go again to the data validation, error alert, and we clear error alert, input message setting. And now let's simplify one more time. If you have list, source, whatever you wish to type here, you can type the same thing. Example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we skip Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, skip Saturday. That's it. And we apply these settings here on OK. So we can only type these things in this. Example, if I type here Sunday and I drag it down, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday we didn't put it in the list, but it's still it's showing. It's because of a pattern, because Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's because of pattern it will work. Let's type Ram, Syam, Hari, these three names only, and apply these settings. Okay. Now other than these, I cannot type anything. Honey, no, doesn't match. So simply what you need to do is select can type. So this is how the drop down list work. Okay, now I hope you understand so far. So that is it. If you have watched till then, if you see any data validation list like this and you wish to remove it, go to data tab and click here data validation and clear all. Okay, now here you can type anything you wish, whatever. So this is how you can protect your sheet, or this is how you can create a data validation and error message, error alert. So that's it about this video, guys. See you next time. Till then, take care.